Hello, everyone. My name is Anastasia Smolentsova, and I am the CEO of Brand Lens Consulting. Today, I will be demonstrating how we use one of the main tools in our company, Jasper AI, to generate your company's marketing needs. So, let me make sure that you are able to see my screen. You are. So we will begin by logging into Jasper AI. Now, if you are a customer, you can just refer to us to do this part for you, or if you would like more control and more autonomy in your own content generation, you are free to also use Jasper AI by yourself. It is very user friendly and you will be able to construct social media posts as well as other brand content by yourself and just consult us on what should be posted, when it should be posted, and such. So we will begin by demonstrating how to use this. So again, you will be thrown onto this homepage and you can see Brownlands Consulting is our company name. Now, if you are Honeyvale Matcha Company, such as what I will be demonstrating today, this is where you would put in your company name. Now we can do home, create a project, and we can do different things with Jasper AI, such as, for example, Instagram posts or TikTok posts. Now, you do have to have the content already generated for this program. So, for example, for an Instagram post, you would already have to have a photo taken or a slideshow prepared. However, Jasper AI can help generate a caption for your content. So, let's use, let's just do generate an Instagram post using the attached photo to spread awareness of a new menu item for the Christmas season. Let's do that. And then I will attach uh, a photo that has been offered by the company. Now, this can be a TikTok video, this can be a photo, this can be really anything you would like it to be. So we're just going to start with that. So I have attached the screenshot of our content. I have given it a prompt, and now we're going to select an audience. Now, you can go without this. However, this really helps um, kind of narrow down the audience and narrow down the approach with which Jasper AI approaches the content generation. So we will begin by saying, let's say college students. Now, this client, Honeyvale Matcha, is a food truck matcha station that is located on the Miami campus, University of Miami campus. So for today, for this demo, I will just be showing how to create a college student audience. So we can also generate a description. Students aged 18 to 24, enrolled in undergraduate programs at universities or at, let's do specifically the University of Miami. They seek affordable education, career opportunities, and social connections while navigating academic pressures and personal development. They tend to prefer to drink matcha instead of coffee due to their focus on health and wellness. Let's just add that the more details you give Jasper AI, the better the content generation will be. So we could do anyone in brand lens consulting. So all your co-workers will be, or your marketing team will be able to see this audience. However, just for this demonstration, I will be making this audience private. Now you can add information about your audience, such as demographics. If you have any specific graphs or charts that you would like to include, you can definitely paste this here. But for now, I'm just going to bypass this. Add URL, really not necessary. But again, the more information you give it, the more detailed and targeted the content will be. So we're just going to demonstrate um, the generation Jasper AI provides. So buying triggers, for example, at the start of the academic year, definitely students will be more likely to buy products. And again, you can definitely manually add these and remove some of these. Just for now, I'm going to keep everything here. Case requirements, success indicators, and additional characteristics. So these are all different things, and we're just going to do that, generate. So now it is generating an audience. So this will, again, specify the target audience for whom the content is being created, allowing Jasper AI to create more targeted content. Takes a second. Beautiful. Let's do review, return to your workflow. So we're going to select college students. Again, you can create a list of your audiences and you can really pick up to you who you want to target with this post. And now I'm just going to let Jasper AI do the work for me and generate a content post for the photo I have provided. Now you can really do this with anything. You can, again, paste TikTok videos or Instagram, or you can really use Jasper AI without content generation, just a text post such as maybe Instagram threads or X, or what used to be called Twitter. So perfect. So because we're advertising a Christmas menu for our client, it's exactly that. It is very Christmas themed. It's beginning to look like a lot of matcha. So this is beautiful. So again, you can just copy and paste this. Ooh, did not mean to do that. But you can um, regenerate it if you don't like it. You can really do anything you want with Jasper AI. It makes it very easy for brands to uh, generate content for their Instagram page or any other social media page. Some pros is that it's very user friendly, as you can see today. You can generate any text addition to your content ideas, and it makes it very easy to um, build a marketing campaign for small businesses, which is who we target. Additional pros is that it makes targeted content. So specifically with that audience interaction, you can add a specific target audience. So that's very, very helpful for small brands to target their new additions or just overall spread awareness about their brand. Some cons is that Jasper AI unfortunately does not generate the actual content itself. It only generates the additions to the content. So again, for example, for an Instagram post, you would already have to have a post generated, so like a photo shoot or just a photo of the product, and then Jasper can help add everything else you need for that photo. So the hashtags, everything of that sort. Also, you would need to know the posting times that are best to post for maximum audience engagement. Jasper AI does generally just write down the text that you should add to your post. That being said, for platforms such as X, where it's only text generated content, this is very helpful. So I think Jasper AI definitely has its perks. And in addition, or in combination with other tools that we use at Brandlance Consulting, it can be very, very helpful. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.